According to the councillors, upon accessing the factory, they discovered that the ministry had instructed the factory to cease construction, yet the managers are persisting with the process. Additional concerns were raised regarding the lack of documents verifying environmental management assessments, compact management assessments, and other factors posing a threat of environmental degradation to the area. Omolo Musa, the Namayingo District Council Speaker, announced that they have decided to instruct the factory to suspend its activities until it completes the necessary processes.
But we only rely on written documents. So what I'm trying to I'm just trying to put things right by requesting, let us be principled and we do our work smartly.
What is your proposal?
My kindly request is August House. Since we got the reality, but I'm now seeing when things are burning day and night.
Councillors such as Okomo Peter and Ronald Tumwesije emphasized their refusal to allow the factory to proceed with its operation, citing potential adverse effects on both the local community and the environment.
Others which included the operation of Shen sugar factory within the district of Namayingo. The factory is existing, however, the factory is not following the guideline, is not following the law, meaning the operation of that factory within the districts of Namayingo, it is operating illegally. And therefore, as the district council or as the district councillors, we interested ourselves in knowing what exactly is happening. The fact that the factory had already signed a memorandum of understanding without the consent of the district council. So we needed to know so many things that were going on.
And let them, it doesn't mean that we are the wise, but the interest has to come in to represent our people. So the issue of Shen sugar operation in Namayingo district, as the district of Namayingo, we are not all about that it should not operate. But which procedures have they passed through so that the operation is legal? So therefore, according to all the documents I had to bring in the council today, the document which were prohibiting and showing that the Shen sugar were not following the right procedure to come out with Shen factory in Namayingo.
However, Abdallah Twaha, the district vice chairperson, opposed the decision, arguing that the factory management had engaged adequately with the district before commencing the construction process.
Would you think the blessing of it in this council?
Speaker, one, CH Sugar is not seeking for permission from us for establishment, because the other one is a private business. It's not like a NOP where government has involvement and government must give money to the district. That's where we may require probably our permission. But this is a private investment which was cleared and they started off. Actually, the construction is ongoing. Everything is going on. I thank you.
The efforts to obtain a comment from the manager of Shen Sugar Factory was unsuccessful, as his number non-contact could not be reached despite the several attempts by our reporter at the time of compiling the story.